This is how you find the equation of the regression line using the calculator. So you go to mode, press test there. In the other calculators maybe on number 2. So here is 3, so we press 3. And then we want the equation of the regression line. So we enter 2 here. It says a plus bx. So we enter 2. Right, and then we enter the values. So be careful here. We have the x values and the y values. So the x values is the price of milk and rents, and then the y values is the number of 5-liter containers. Okay, right, let's start by entering the values of x. It's 26, then equals 32, the next one equals, or if you want, you can enter the x value and the y value, x value and y value at the same time. It's still fine, but make sure that the values correspond. Like 26 will go with 48, 32 will go with 30, 36 will go with 26, like that. Okay, right, so it entered 26, 32, 36, goes on like that. Right, we're done with the x values. Let's go back and enter the y values. So here 26 goes with 48, 32 goes with 30, 36 goes with 26. Okay, it goes on like that. And the last one, 30 goes with 33. Press AC, Shift 1. Then we want the regression line, which is number 5 there. And then which value do we want? We want to start with A. Okay, it's option 1. Okay, so you see that our A is 90,4782 and so on. Okay, and then we want to get B now. How do we go back? You go back to Shift, then 1. See that? Okay, and then you can go back to the regression line, number 5, and then you select 2 for B there. Okay, you don't need to re-enter the information. You just go to Shift and then press 1. Then we select B, which is option 2, and then equals. You see that? Negative 1,7333. Okay, that's how we use the calculator to find the equation of the regression line.